You are going to love 2015 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, roof rack, power brakes. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, multifunctional information center, power door locks.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.